Hi, I'm India Hall, the Ultimate Realtor, team leader of the Ultimate Team at HomeSmart DMV, and I am excited to share with you my newest listing. It's a 6-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, single family home off of Powder Mill Road in Beltsville, Maryland. This fully renovated detached home has brand new everything. But before we get into those details, let me share with you 5 things I absolutely love about this property. My #1 favorite thing about this house is the center island in this gourmet kitchen. There's quartz countertops here with a breakfast bar for extra seating. My second favorite thing about this property is the amazing deck for outdoor entertainment. We are now in the primary suite, which is my third favorite thing about this property. It has 2 closets and an ensuite bathroom. We are now in the basement, where I'll share my 4th and 5th favorite things about this property. There are 2 additional living spaces that can accommodate multi-generational living. And there's a kitchenette, so you do not have to go back upstairs. Now that I've given you the ultimate home tour, and I know you've fallen in love with this place, reach out to schedule your private showing at indiahall.com.